Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 5 Hindi Chapter 11 Chawal Ki Rotiyan Story Explanation and Textbook Solutions. So this is a story about kids. So here Coco is the lead role. He is an 8-year-old Burmese boy. He has 3 friends, Nini, Chinsu and Mimi. So Nini and Chinsu are Burmese boys and Mimi is Burmese girl. Ubatun is the manager of the public store. One day, Cuckoo wakes up after visiting her parents' farm. She has to take care of the house in the absence of mother. His mother has made 4 rotis for him and kept them in the cupboard. Cuckoo loves to eat rice rotis. He quickly sits down to eat them. Then he hears someone knocking at the door. He hides those rotis before opening the door. Then he opens the door. Nini is at the door. He immediately asks Cuckoo why she took so long to open the door. So Coco lies that he has washing his face after having breakfast. Nini has come to him on the radio to inquire about the exam related information. Cuckoo makes excuses that his radio has gone bad. Nini definitely wants to hear the news, so he immediately goes to Tinsu's house. Cuckoo breathes a sigh of release and he about to sit down to eat the rice loaves. Again, he heard someone knocking at the door. This time it is Mimi. Coco again opens the door after hiding the loaves. Like Nini, Mimi also asks why he took so long to open the door. Coco again uses some excuses. Mimi further tells him that the mother had just met her. So she told that some rice lotus have been kept for him. Coco has to say So Mimi says that eating alone is a bad thing. My mother gave me 4 puppets, 2 for you and 2 for me. So this was the conversation going on. Then Mimi picks up a puppet and asks for tea from Coco. Coco tells that tea is kept on the cupboard. Mimi herself starts drinking tea and tells Coco that your stomach is very full, so don't even drink tea. At the same time, Cuckoo starts gurgling again. On asking Mimi, she tells that a mouse has entered her house. That is why the sound is making. There is a knock at the door again. This time it is 3. So this time it is the manager. He brings a bunch of marigold flowers. Mimi gives him banana pepper and a cup of tea. Tinsu grows up to plant flowers in a vase. So he tells Coco that mother brought a vase from our shop. She wanted blue vase, but at that time it was not with him. So he says that she has brought a pink colored vase. I have now got a blue vase. So he says that he wants to replace that vase. Saying this, he went to pick up he went to change the vase. He took the pink vase, instead he puts the blue vase. The cocoa rice loaves also went along with the vase. Coco feels very sad because because he was not able to eat a single one while trying to eat all the 4 rotis. So this is a simple play, Chawal Ki Rotiyan. Next we'll see question answers from this chapter. Question answers, textbook solutions from this chapter. A simple room, bamboo mats on the walls, a cupboard to keep meat on a wall, a radio, kettle, some cups, an empty pink vase slotted or placed on the placed on top of the cupboard. There is a mat on the floor in the middle of the room with low height round table on top. Two doors. One door opens backwards and the other one towards the edge. The curtain rises along with the chirping of birds. Somewhere far away from gives the bang. The dark box, Utta Baumtaha, meaning is dark box. Somewhere there are prayer bells. Gatiya, Pratna ki Gatiya, meaning is prayer bells. Coco comes, yawns and straightens himself. The above lines describes a room in Coco's house. In fact, he has instruction on how to make a stage decoration for the play. You can read the description and make a picture of the platform that should be exactly as described. So you can follow the instruction and make a picture out of it. Next, first question. Those who participate in the play are characters. Characters whose roles are important are called main characters, and those who are not important are called as secondary characters. Tell me who are the main and secondary characters in this play. Mukhya meaning is important characters. Gaun Patra meaning is secondary characters. So we'll see the answer here for this first question. So here it is. Coco plays an important role in this play. So he will be called as the main character of the main character. Nini, Mimi, Chinsu, all others are secondary characters. So here Coco is the main character and all others are secondary characters. Next we'll see the second question. What are the characters have to say is called dialogue. Can you write a dialogue for a single situation? You can also work in teams for this. For example, an argument with players from one party while playing a game like Coco or Kabaddi. So you have been asked to write a dialogue. So that is the second question. That you can do it on your own. Next, third question. What happened at that time when you have some time hidden or try to hide something or something from others? We'll see the answer. Next, fourth question. They say 100 lies have to be told to hide a lie. Do you think so? By reading the story, explain this with help. So we'll see the answers for this. What happened at that time? So third question, what happened at that time when you have sometimes hidden or tried to hide something or something from others? The answer for this, once a friend of mine came to ask me for football. I didn't want to give because I knew he would come out of his hair and return to me. So he says he pretended, so I pretended that football. So the same way you can also write any story. Next one is they say the 100 lies has to be told to hide a lie. So is it true or false? Yes, absolutely true. Because similar thing has happened in this play. Coco loves rice loaves, so he wants to eat all the four loaves himself. Whenever he sits down to eat the bread, some friend or the other comes. He doesn't want to share the bread with them, so he lies again and again that the radio is bad and there is a house, the mother is allergic to flowers, all these reasons. So she's saying that is why they say that 100 lies have to be told to hide a lie. Next, one rice many forms. Ek chawal kai roop. First question, Coco's mother had made rice bread for her. Rice is differently used in different provinces of India. a part of food, and so it is made as salty food or it is made as sweet dish. How is rice used in your province? Find out by talking at your home. If you match your friend's table in class, you will find that India is unique in terms of language, clothing, and lifestyle, as well as food. So, so rice is used in different ways. It can be used as plain rice or salted one or sweet one or bread. In all these forms, rice can be used. Next, second question, find out the method of making one of the food items made from rice from your table and write down according to the points below. Content, preparation and method. So method of making salted casserole of rice. So ingredients is rice, cabbage, peas, carrot, potato and coriander leaves. First wash and chop all the vegetables, then wash the rice. Dry lightly, then fry it in ghee and remove it. Now fry all the chopped vegetables in ghee, add salt, chili powder, turmeric powder, cardamom while frying. When they turn golden color, add rice and fry for a while. Now pour water in a pressure cooker. When the water is hot, add the pan material to it, then close it. Take it off after a whistle or two. Serve out after a while. If you want, finely chop coriander leaves on top and spread them on the casserole. This is a preparation of rice, vegetable rice. Next, third question. Cuckoo's parents went to the fields to plant paddy. Cuckoo's mother made rice loaves for her. Different forms of the same thing can have different names. Example. So here chawal, daan, baat, murmura. All these are rice. Rice, paddy, rice again. So here it is whole dal, washed dal, peeled dal. So sabut dal meaning is whole dal. Duli dal meaning is washed dal. Peeled dal. Chilaka dal meaning is peeled dal. Next, grehu, wheat. Dalia meaning is oatmeal. Atta is flour. Maida is maida. Refined wheat. Suji is semolina. So here, rice is grain from paddy is rice. Paddy meaning is peeled rice is called as paddy. Rice, bath is cooked rice is called as bath. Murmura meaning is the roasted form of rice is called as murmura. Chuda meaning is soaking or boiling paddy produces rag, that is called as choda. Whole dal, peeled dal or which is not in pieces. So here washed dal is broken unpeeled dal. Peeled dal is broken peeled dal. Wheat is whole grain. Oatmeal is wheat grains, that is a different variety. Flour is wheat grains grinded into flour. Maida is refined form of wheat flour. K, me, ne, ko, se. Coco's mother had bought a vase from the shop yesterday. The words underneath the words in the above sentence describe the words as interrelated in the sentence. Here, Coco ki maa ne kal dukaan se ek फूलदान खरीदता था. So below is the excerpt from the funny book 8 Days of Anarcho. Write such correct words in the blank spaces. So this is the passage. You have to properly fill it with K, me, ne, ko, se. So here I have mentioned it. So I can write down on the places. So next comes hard words from this chapter. Just pause the video and write down the hard words from this chapter. These are the few hard words. Next comes the meanings, difficult meanings from this chapter. So these are easy: koshish, tashtari, talashi, khabar. So all these are meanings from this chapter. Just pause the video and write down in your notebook. So this chapter, class 5, Chawal Ki Rotiyan, ends here. Hope this chapter explanation is useful and understanding. Thanks for watching.